What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to find a Facebook's user location using the mobile app. There are different ways to find someone's location on Facebook. Start by going to the Facebook app and then tap the search icon at the top right. Type the name of the person whose location you want to check. Then tap on their profile when it appears in the search results. Once you're on their profile, scroll down to the detailed section. Tap on their About info to expand it. If the user has added their location to their profile, you will usually find it under Places Lived. This section shows current and past cities or towns where the person has lived. If they've added it, you will see the location listed there. And you can even tap on it to get more information about that city or town. However, keep in mind that not everyone fills this out, so it might not be visible for all users. If their About section doesn't show any location information, the next best option is to scroll through their public posts. People often tag their location when they visit places like restaurants, cafes, or events. Look for small location icons or clickable place names beneath their post headers. These tags can give you an idea of where someone has been or currently is. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.